Hi, and welcome to our channel. If you are excited to explore fresh and captivating stories, you are in for a treat. Today, we are bringing you the top 10 new Turkish series with English subtitles in 2024. These recently released dramas offer everything from romance and intrigue to action packed plots, guaranteed to keep you entertained. In this video, we'll highlight some of the hottest new Turkish series that are already making waves. With English subtitles, viewers worldwide can enjoy these thrilling shows. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting recommendations. Let's dive into the best new Turkish dramas of 2024 that you can't miss. On number 10, guys, we have Kirli Sepeti. This romantic Turkish series revolves around Halil Ibrahim Cihan, who play the role of Murat, and Melisa Dongal play the role of Aylan. The story of this drama series revolves around a group of resilient women whose lives are spent cleaning up the messes left by others. The story begins when Miriam, one of these women, tragically falls to her death while working in a house, an event that goes unnoticed by the people she served. Ilgul, Mariam's friend, and Kahraman, a journalist, join forces to uncover the truth behind Mariam's untimely demise. As they seek justice for Mariam, they also begin to unravel the hidden complexities of the households Mariam and the other ladies serve, shining a light on the walls between us and them in society. On number 9, guys, we have Gaddar. This action-based Turkish series revolves around Jasay Oludoy, who played the role of Dagan, and Sumeyye Aydoğan play the role of Aydan. The story of this drama series revolves around Dagan when Aydan broke his heart. Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of the hard duty, Dagan's service is over. It's time to come home. But home is not as Dagan remembers it. His family is shattered. Aydan is gone, and even the old friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuits. When his loved ones come into danger, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman. But even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aydan suddenly reappears in Dagan's life. On number 8, guys, we have Senden Once. This romantic Turkish series revolves around Alp Navruz, who play the role of Hakan, and Sinem Unsal play the role of Merve. The story of this drama series revolves around Hakan Dagestan. The owner of a prominent construction company grapples with a strained marriage to Merve, his wife of 6 months. Despite attempt to mend their relationship, Merve remains silent about the underlying issues. Desperate of resolution, Hakan tries one last conversation before a crucial business trip. However, Merve carries a secret that he cannot reveal under any circumstances. During Hakan's trip, he meets Sahra, sparking a forbidden affair. Complications arise when Merve unexpectedly appears at a hotel, discovering her husband's infidelity. A complex dynamic unfolds as Merve refuses to let go of her husband, while Sahra warns about trusting men based on their shared past struggles. The two women become entangled in a silent war. Sahra's goal is to rekindle her relationship with Hakan. On number 7, guys, we have Yanoda. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Onur Siyet Yaran, who play the role of Talan, and Derya Pinar play the role of Selale. The story of this drama series revolves around Sevgi Ersoy, a famous TV presenter whose career is on the decline. Suddenly marries Fikret Alabe, one of the country's leading businessmen. This unexpected marriage shocks everyone. Both Sevgi and Fikret have had unhappy marriages in the past. They now want to live out their second chances, but it won't be easy. Their marriage means their very different families will come together. This cohabitation of these two very different families under one roof will create bigger problems than Sevgi and Fikret anticipated, changing the lives of all family members, especially their children, Talan and Selale, who are forced to live in adjacent rooms. On number 6, guys, we have Layla. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Alperen Dönmez, who play the role of Jivan, and Kamre Bessel play the role of Layla. The story of this drama series revolves around the young Layla's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Layla's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Layla's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Layla returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tufu. But things take a complicated turn when Layla's childhood savior, Sino, reappears in her life as Jewan, Noor's adopted son. On number 5, guys, we have Gilzi Bache. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Murat Yildirim, who play the role of Demir, and Ebru Sahin play the role of Nazli. The story of this drama series revolves around Nazli, a poor, single, and young mother living with her son Memo. When Memo's powerful and wealthy uncle Demir Akçanar learns that his late brother had a son, he sets out to gain custody of Memo. Upon discovering Nazli's profession, Demir decides he cannot allow his nephew to be raised by such a woman. He launches a fierce battle to gain custody of Memo. However, Nazli, who finds herself caught in this struggle, is not the person Demir thinks she is. She has an even bigger secret. As Nazli and Demir fight for Memo's well-being, the Akçanar's family schemes, long-hidden secrets, and shadow of the past will complicate their growing but seemingly impossible love. On number 4, guys, we have Güzel Aslar Diyari. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Deniz, a doctor from Izmir. Travels to Cappadocia with her boyfriend Arhan to see the places where he grew up to meet his family. While expecting to meet Arhan's family, Deniz learns from Arhan's mother, Gonul, that Arhan is already engaged. This engagement is a promise made between two families, a promise that Arhan himself never agreed to. Shocked by this revelation, Deniz decides to return to Izmir, but Arhan stops her at the airport. He tells her that the only person he wants to spend his life with is Deniz. Arhan and Deniz decide to get married. However, their wedding night turns into a nightmare when Arhan's brother, Cemal, is shot. Now they must find a killer, and their love will be tested by many challenges. On number 3, guys, we have Uzak Seher. This latest romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Alia, who leads a happy life with her family in Canada, finds her world turned upside down by the sudden death of her husband, Boran. Fulfilling his last wish, she brings him back to his birthplace in Mardin for burial, embarking on a journey from which there is no return. After completing her final duty to her husband Boran, Alia intends to return to Canada with her child. However, she encounters the ruthless face of the Albora family, where customs and traditions take precedence over the law. The family refuses to give her son back to her. Her attempt to escape with her son puts both of them in great danger, igniting the flames of an eternal conflict. On number 2, guys, we have Ask Evlilik Boşanma. This latest Turkish drama series revolves around on 3 women working at a media group focused on women's issues. Naz, a vibrant woman in her 30s who lights up every room she enters. Guy, a composed director in her 40s who has built her life on perfection. And Guner, a talented scriptwriter in her 50s who has sacrificed everything for her family. While these women are thriving in their careers, they are unaware of the personal storms looming on the horizon. The first crack appears in Guner's marriage when problems arise with her husband, Altan. Guy and Naz step in to support her on what should be the happiest day of their lives. The trio find themselves caught in a web of lies, betrayal, and family secrets. On number 1, guys, we have Karadut. This latest romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Zuhal Erdem, a personal development expert at the peak of her career, has achieved success through her consulting on love and relationship as well as her published books. However, despite her persona as a modern, urban, and a beautiful woman, she is entirely different in the home that she shares with her father and her sisters. At the age of just 17, after losing her mother due to a traumatic event, Zuhal's life was turned upside down. She devoted herself to raising her 3 sisters. Unable to go outside the order and rules established by her father, Zeytin, because the oath she took, Zuhal once again faces her loneliness while watching her sister Azli's wedding preparations. Meanwhile, she is unaware that the person who crosses her path by chance will change her life. While Typhoon tries to understand Zuhal's resistance, an unexpected tragedy will reveal the truth behind Zuhal's woe to her father. So, guys, these are 10 new series that are released in 2024. I personally recommend you to watch this beautiful series as soon as possible, and at the end, if you are new in our channel, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.